Alright, what's up mga ka-G? So another G-Day here at G-Spot Auto Grounds. As you can see guys, ang Kang Luis is done na ang reso delete, no? Kaya nabitin daw siya sa tingog sa muffler lang ag-install. And si Col Junjun naman is that working out sa Y as well. Then sila sir na po Suzuki dari nga Swift na magpa-muffler. And then si Miggy naman ko sa Fortuner. So yun, tiba-tiba po, champak po ta karon dre. So yun, mag-sound check ta for this one. Let's go. Start. Ayan, o diba? Uy, nice. Okay, go. Ayun, amihan na ay. Roll out na. Bro, thank you for always trusting G-Spot Auto Grounds. Ingat sa biyahe ha. G-Man. Ayun, all goods na all goods. Rolling out na si Luis. Ayun. So, next is ang Suzuki. Muffler lang man eh. So, it's done. Then, kay Miggy na ang next. Let's go. Ayun guys, humanagin ang unit ni sir, no? And then, nagtawag muffler ano eh. Sound check ta. Suzuki Swift, let's go. Ayun. So, fabricated na to ang muffler, no? Kaya mo i-prefer din sir. Magpabuhat daw siya og muffler sa G-Spot. Mura nagpag-rally bay. Mura nag-rally car. Yan, so salamat sa trust sir. Ayan, let's go, all goods. Ayun, the Suzuki is rolling out, done for muffler installation and fabrication. Then next is the Fortuner. Magpa-side exit, that is Miggy. Let's go. Guys, ayun, as you can see na take off na mo ang muffler ni Migs, no? So, ilang group sabay dre. And then mag-side exit. So, we are actually working out with the side exit aning unit. So, therefore, gina-prep na namo. And there's their crew. Ayun. Let's go. G for the Fortuner again. Dandil, bro. Hey. The Revcats cartel of Kabakan. Ayun, Miggy Garcia. So, ayun guys, ang atong gibuhat ani is nag-workout to siyang side exercise as he requested, no? So, ayun. Let's do the sound check. G, bro. Okay. Sama yun. Nice. Thank you always for trusting G-Spot Auto Grounds and ingat sa biyahe.
Yes sir. Bye.
G. Ayun, Miggy is out. So uli pa itong Kabakan. Kaya diri ra siya nagpa-trabaho sa side exit. And then work around ta. Rest. Let's go. G-Spot Auto Ground.